We have a 2013 Nissan Sentra. Okay, let's code scan. Code scan everything. Okay, we got a one engine code. Let's check master flow circuit out of range. Okay. We got a P0101. Okay. We need to check that circuit. Let's go to engine and let's go to freeze frame to check when that thing happens. Okay, happens when the vehicle was parked and when it was almost cold. 87 degrees. Okay, let's go to troubleshooting. Troubleshooter. Let's go to engine. Let's go to code tips. P0101. Right there. Okay.
Remind you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance.
P0101 sets when ECM detects high voltage signal from mass airflow sensor under light load driving conditions. Description: this is a hot film type sensor that measures the air mass and velocity of the incoming taker charge. This measurement is converted into a frequency that varies with engine load. The ECM uses this signal to determine the air mass and prioritize the fuel delivery correctly. Code set conditions. When ECM detects high voltage signal from mass airflow sensor under light load driving conditions, the possible cause: faulty mass airflow sensor or open or short in mass airflow circuit. Okay, we need to check the circuit. Okay, code will also set if ECM detects low voltage from mass airflow sensors under heavy load driving condition. ECM may enter fail safe and limit RPM to about 2400 RPMs. Engine may start and run rich or lean. Start when stalled or idle okay, but will not accelerate scan MAF sensor signal. Okay, we need to check the circuit. We need to check the voltage on the mass airflow sensor. Okay, page 2 of 2. Mass airflow voltage should be about 1.0 volts to 1.7 volts at idle and increase with RPM. Should be about 1.6 volts to 2.4 volts at 2500 RPMs. If not okay, set component test meter to DC volts. Back probe at mass airflow connector voltage signal at mass airflow and mass airflow voltage. Should be the same. If not okay, check for wiring problems between mass airflow and ECM. If mass airflow voltage signal and mass airflow are the same but out of specifications, check for ignition positive and ground with key on, engine off, or key on, engine running. Okay, if not okay, check wiring to MAF. If signal is too low, also check for any intake leaks. Common cause of high volt mass airflow signal is faulty ground over 0.010 volts with key on, engine running. If above Okay, suspect faulty master flow. Right now we got 1.3. It should be about 1.0 to 1.7. So we got a good voltage. 1.7, 1.9.
Of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot
Let's
days of
give
summer.
gas.
Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of
2.4. So voltage is working fine.
brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints.
We're gonna check the voltage at the master flow connector.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413
All right.
That's Gabriel Auto Technician.
Okay.
413 Highway 100 in.
So let's check. Okay. So we know the voltage right here was right. Okay. We need to check the ground. Here said we got a problem. These cars has problems with the ground, so we can solder on the ground wire of the master flow. We can solder a wire and bolt it to the engine. See, take notes. Slightly out of range mass airflow sensors have been known to cause drivability problems. Testing may be inconclusive. Poor ground at MAF has been known to cause drivability problems as well as false injector leak or O2 sensor codes. Ground can be repaired by soldering additional 16 gauge wire to ground terminal at master flow ground other end to intake manifold. So we need to solder a ground wire from here to the engine to a ground. See? And that's the thing we're gonna do because the voltage is right. Okay. So let's connect our meter and let's connect.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto Technician.
And we're gonna check the voltage
Gabriel Auto
on our sensor.
413 Highway 100. Highway 100 in.
Let's see. Green is sensor signal. Gray is sensor signal, intake air temperature sensor signal. And red is the 5 volts. We're gonna check the 5 volts right here. on the red terminal, on the red wire. See right here. We have five bolts. I don't know if you can see it. Say 5 bolts. We got 5 bolts. Let's check the ground. The number 2 is the white. Let's check the ground. $15.1 ohms. There's no way you can see. $15.1 ohms. So there's no signal.
Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days.
No signal, sir. So we're gonna to put ground the wire. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to cut through this because we're gonna have to eliminate that, because we're gonna put the ground right here and we're gonna run it. This is the ground, the white wire. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to solder a wire right here. So I can get better ground. Okay.
Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative
That's good.
maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto engine, air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car,
All right.
Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician.
Put this one to hold it in place.
Highway 100 in Laguna
You can heat it. Cover the battery. That so the heat won't reach the battery. Just want to be a little bit all right. Snake. This is probably not work. If it's something like that or something. Okay. I'll take it out. Okay, we're gonna tape the insulation. Okay. How many ground? How many ohms?
Gabriel Auto Technician at Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your
one
preventative
has-
maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of
How
maintenance
many
repairs
ohms this
for your auto engine, air conditioning, heating,
computer frame has?
fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it.
2 point-
Computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway
2.08.
100. That's Gabriel Auto Technician.
And the engine
413 Highway 100.
0.1. So we're gonna put the terminal on the on the engine. Maybe this bolt. 0.103. See? This one has 15 points, so there were no ground. So I'm gonna run the wire down here all the way to here. Okay, I'm gonna remove these. Okay, let's pass the wire to here, running together with this sensor wire. Right there. Right there. Right there. So we're gonna put a terminal right here. Okay,
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of
let's
summer.
remove
And save money tomorrow.
that
All
bolt.
types of maintenance repairs for your auto engine, air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan mounts, ball joints. It's on the car. Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it. Featuring computer
Put it right here.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100.
Bolt on the block. Okay, let's put the terminal right in here. All right, now let's put it in there. Got it? Let's tighten the bolt. All right. Let's check. We have 0.103. That's what we're gonna have this one. Right now it's a good ground on the sensor. Now we have ground right there. Let's check. Let's start the engine. See how it's gonna work. All right. Let's see.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types
It runs
of
fine?
maintenance from repairs for your auto engine, air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it.
You may raise the codes,
Diagnosing.
the memory.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100,
Okay.
Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto
Right now the engine runs real good.
413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Codes clear. Okay. Engine light turns off because we cleared the. Now let's see the master flow. Okay. Master flow is working fine. Yep. So now it's working fine. The grounding's good. Responding fine. Before the car was dying. See? We didn't see the data before, right here on the, like that. We see it on the troubleshooting, but the voltage, we didn't see the actual data. So it's fixed. See? Now let's scan the codes again. Let's run the code scan. Right there. No codes. Let's start the engine. Oh, it's 9 already. 9 p.m. Here's the hour. All right. We did the code scan before. Let's do it again.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance from repairs for your auto engine.
No codes, no codes, no codes, no codes.
Transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto will fix it.
So we
or
got it.
featuring computerized diagnosing. Gabriel Auto Technician.
Got it fixed.
413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician.
All right.
413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Thank you very much for watching. We got fixed
Gabriel Auto Technician,
code.
Laguna Heights.
P0101,
Get your preventative maintenance
they were the ground was bad.
all types of maintenance repairs for your auto engine, air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission.
All right, see you later.
Fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.